In our previous class, we discussed about the topic Simple Farm Tools for Gathering. In our class today we will be discussing the topic Maintenance of Simple Farm Tools. Farm tools are essential for carrying out various agricultural activities efficiently. However, just like any other equipment, farm tools require proper maintenance to ensure their longevity and optimal performance. We will explore the importance of maintaining simple farm tools and provide guidelines for their maintenance. Importance of maintenance. To prolong lifespan. Regular maintenance helps extend the lifespan of farm tools, saving farmers from frequent replacements and reducing costs. To improve efficiency. Well-maintained tools operate smoothly and efficiently, leading to increased productivity on the farm. To ensure safety. Proper maintenance reduces the risk of accidents caused by faulty or damaged tools, ensuring the safety of farmers and workers. Guidelines for maintenance. Cleaning. After every use, clean the tools thoroughly to remove dirt, debris, and any remaining soil. Use a brush or cloth to wipe off the surfaces and make sure they are dry before storing them. Sharpening. Tools such as hoes, cutlasses, and sickles require sharp blades for effective use. Regularly sharpen the edges using a file or whetstone to maintain their cutting efficiency. Lubrication. Apply a thin layer of oil or grease on metal parts, such as hinges and joints, to prevent rust and ensure smooth movement. Storage. Store farm tools in a clean, dry, and well-ventilated area. Hang them on racks or hooks or keep them in toolboxes to protect them from moisture and minimize the chances of damage. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.